Hello my venture friends, and welcome back to Venture Care at Home. We have our April showers package. We're doing a craft for today, and so this one is our April showers watercolor raindrops. And what you'll need out of your package are these large umbrella shaped pink pieces of paper. This is a collaborative project, so there's one of these per every house. And your raindrops are going to come down from these umbrellas. The other things you will need, you'll see there's large raindrops out of coffee filter raindrops in each of your care packages. They're actually bigger than the ones I have here. These are just sample ones. You will have a new pipette. You'll see what we use that for if you haven't used that yet. You'll need from your own supplies a variety of blue colored markers and your other markers or a pencil perhaps, and you'll see what for shortly. You'll also need some ribbon, which is supplied for in your care package. There's nice iridescent ribbons. Okay, so let's get ourselves started with our watercolors. We're going to move everything off except our markers and our coffee filter raindrops. So there's one of these per person. I'm doing a few just so that you could see how filled out they are when they are actually on the umbrella. Okay, so this is the iridescent ribbon. You're gonna wanna move that to the side as well. And then there will be glue dots for each raindrop that's in there. Let's move those over for now as well. Okay, so to start with, we're going to put some color on our raindrops. So if you remember in the past, you could do this however you'd like. You want to just get good covering on all of your raindrops. It could be in a design, but it certainly does not have to be, because once we put the water on here, it's going to spread all the colors. So I'm just going to do a few different styles, and you can go ahead and choose to do it however you'd like. You don't have to be neat with this. You can just have fun mixing your colors. I want to make sure I get a good amount of this blue myself. That's just the look that I'm going for, so that's up to you. So I'm going to spread it out throughout my raindrop. So I'll do this a few different ways, and then you'll see the effects, so you can make your own decisions on what you want to do. Okay, see how fast and easy that is? All right, so the next thing that you're going to want to grab is a cup of water and some paper towels. I'm gonna put my raindrops right on top of my paper towel, because this is the part where things get a little messy. And so you're gonna take your pipette, and you're gonna squeeze some water up into that pipette, and you wanna get these, you don't wanna get them like necessarily like sopping wet, but you do want to get them wet enough that all the colors are going to bleed. Oh, I guess that's pretty wet, which is fine. If you do this and you're using like lighter colors, like light pinks and stuff, the more wet it gets, the kind of more washed out the colors can look. And you'll see it's already like turning tie-dye even in the on the paper towel. because we use our washable markers so the colors bleed. Okay, so once you have gotten water down on all of your raindrops, I keep missing the water. We are done with this portion, and we got to let these dry. Look how beautiful. You can already see how pretty they're going to be. So we're going to let these dry, and we're going to move on to the other collaborative part of our project. Let me move these over. Okay, so now you're going to want to go ahead and with your housemates or the individuals you're doing the crafts with, you can pull the umbrella on over, and you'll see there's some lines on it. Some have more than others. And these are the lines you would see on an umbrella. They're just light marks. I don't know how easy they are to see in this lighting. Now you could certainly leave the umbrella plain just the way it is, or you can go ahead and let each artist make a design on the umbrella. So I'm gonna do that. So I'll have my first line here. I'll make it a little darker. And I think I'm just gonna go for like swirls. These don't have to be complicated. I like using the pencil so it's like a finer point. But that is up to you. So you can get as creative as you want with this. Again, I kind of like the idea of letting different artists pick their own design and make this part of the project their own. There is one design that I did. And you could do this with markers, you could do it with colored pencils, crayons, whatever you'd like. I could even go back and color it in if I wanted to. And let's see, maybe this way I'll do some stripes. I like to think one of the fun things about umbrellas is that there's so many different kinds, right? Big ones, small ones, huge round ones, the ones that like come down over your head to cover you from the rain. They make them in all different designs and colors. So this is really your space to make your umbrella whatever you'd like it to be. There you go. Okay, and now I have one more area here. You might have several. We probably broke it up so that different artists can have their own space. Let's see, what would I like to do here? I think I'm gonna do some flowers. Because like we've been talking about, April showers bring May flowers. And May is my birthday, so I happen to really love May. You can go ahead and also pull some stickers out here if you want to. If you don't want to draw. And so there is my finished umbrella. I'm gonna stop here, but you could certainly go ahead and color it in or do whatever you'd like. And then once our raindrops are dry, we're going to go ahead and hang them down and hang this in our window. We'll be right back when those dry off. Okay, so here are my raindrops. They're mostly dry. And I'm gonna go ahead and remove them to my work surface. Okay. And what you're gonna do now is take your the ribbon that we've supplied you and your glue dots. And we're going to first take the ribbon, pick whichever color you'd like, and you have little holes in the bottom of your umbrella. So what you want to do is go ahead and string these through the holes and make a knot. If you need help with this process, go ahead and ask. Knots can be tricky. Okay, so there's one. Mine only has 3 because that's what I'm putting in. We put quite a few on yours so you could decide where you want your raindrops to go. Two. Okay, so now once that's done, you're gonna take your raindrops and your glue dots. Okay, remember you could remove the backing, it sticks right there. Put it on your ribbon. These are mini dots, so they fit right onto your ribbon. And stick on your raindrop. And we will just repeat. Other pieces. Add your okay, here's your second one. And the last one. So it's hard to see the entire picture. I will take a picture after this of it hanging, but here are my raindrops and they're gonna hang down from the umbrella to show our April showers. Please send us pictures of how you use this April showers umbrella craft, watercolor raindrops, to show us how you decorate your houses. I'd love to see it. I always like to see what you do with the crafts we send home. Enjoy.